Like, subscribe, and get notified.
श्री कामाक्षी नमोस्तुते
The body of a 19-year-old Polytechnic student from Ankola in Karnataka, who allegedly drowned while swimming at Polem Beach, has been recovered following an intensive search operation. The student had reportedly visited the beach along with two friends after bunking college when the tragic incident occurred. According to sources, the three students had gone to the beach for an outing. While swimming in the sea, one of the youths was caught in strong currents and went missing. A missing complaint was registered on Thursday, prompting authorities to launch a large-scale search operation. Teams from the Indian Coast Guard, Goa Police, and local fishermen joined efforts to trace the missing student. With coordinated efforts and continuous scanning of coastal waters and nearby areas, the body was eventually traced and recovered. Authorities have sent the body for post-mortem examination. Further investigation is underway.
पर्यटन खातं गोवा सरकार प्रस्तुत छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज जयंती उत्सवानिमित्त खास कार्यक्रम दिनांक 21 फेब्रुवारी 2026 रोजी श्री देव बोडगेश्वर मैदान म्हापसा येथे संध्याकाळी 6 वाजता शिवरायांचा गोमंतकाचा प्रवास आणि सहवास यावर प्रकाश टाकणारं 150 कलाकारांनी साकारलेलं महानाट्य शिवशाहीची गर्जना, महाराष्ट्राची लाडकी अभिनेत्री अलका कुबल, स्वराज्य रक्षक संभाजी फेम शंतनू मोघे यांच्या अभिनयाने सजलेलं नाटक शिवशाहीची गर्जना 21 फेब्रुवारीची संध्याकाळ आरक्षित करा आणि साक्षीदार व्हा शिवशाहीची गर्जना या महानाट्याचे. महानाट्यानंतर आकाशात उलगडेल छत्रपतींच्या कार्यामधून प्रेरणा आणि स्फूर्ती देणारा ड्रोन शो दिनांक 21 फेब्रुवारी 2026 श्री देव बोडगेश्वर मैदान म्हापसा येथे संध्याकाळी 6 वाजता.